Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve a lead code contest 482, and the problems that we are going to solve is uh, minimum cost to acquire required items. So let us go through the problem statement. So the problem statement states that you are given the five integers. So cost 1, cost 2, cost both, need 1 and need 2, and we are given here the three types of item available out there. Number one is item of type 1, which costs us cost 1, and its contribution is 1 unit to the type 1 requirement. And the second type of item is type 2, and its cost is cost 2, and its contribution is 1 unit towards the type 2 requirement. And type 3 is cost both, which cost both item 1 and item 2, and its contribution is 1 unit towards type 1, and 1 unit towards type 2 requirement. And we are asked here to you must collect enough items so that the total contribution towards type 1 is at least need 1, and total contribution towards type 2 is at least need 2. So we have to basically fulfill the need 1 and need 2, and return an integer representing the minimum possible total cost to achieve these requirements. So we have to find the minimum possible cost to achieve the need 1 and need 2, right? I hope you understand the problem statement, and if you are not able to understand, so please go through this problem statement again, and you will be able to understand it. So now let us go through the examples. So here we are given the cost 1 is 3 and cost 2 is 2, and if its cost is both, then its price is 1. We are given here the requirement of 1, requirement of 3 for type 1, and requirement of 2 for type 2 item, right? So suppose we have to achieve this need 1, requirement 1 is of 3 and requirement 2 is of 2, right? So suppose we have to achieve this particular thing. So if we are going with this particular approach, cost 1 and cost 2, so it will cost us 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4, so 9 plus 4 is 13, right? But if at all we are going with cost 2, cost both, so in that case we will be able to achieve this in 3, cost of 3, and its contribution towards type 1 will be 3, and type 2 will be 2, which type 2 will be 3, which is more than its requirement, so we can go ahead with that particular numbers, right? So so in this case, if we are going with cost both, so we can achieve the need 1 and need 2 both. So here the optimal cost is 3. Similarly, for the example 2, we have cost 1, cost 2, and cost both. Here we have the requirement of need 1 and need 2. So here we can buy need 1 2, and type need 2 is 3. And if we are going with the individual cost, so it is giving us 22. Okay, so individually we will buy this, so it is going with 22. But if we are going to buy with the combination of cost 1 and 2, in that case it is going to be 75, which is more than 22, so we will go with the individual one. Here we have cost 1, cost 2, cost both, and here the requirements are 0, so we need not to buy anything, right? So I hope you are able to understand the problem statements and its example. Now let us move to the solution part. So what I'm doing here, so we are doing here the three things, right? So first we are going with the individual price calculation. So if at all I'm having the if I'm going with the normal price, so in that case I will buy the need 1 item at price of cost 1 and need 2 item at price of cost 2. So in that case my total price will be the combination of normal price 1 and normal price 2. right? And yeah. So yeah. So and one more thing, like if we are going with the combined price, so in that case we will go with the cost both and any of the maximum of need 1 and need 2, so we will get combined price, which is this one. So our total price will be minimum of total price and combined price, right? So and there can be one more possibility that we are going to if at all need 1 is less than need 2, so in that case what we can do is, like, we will buy uh, need 1 item at price of cost both, and the remaining item need 2 item at its normal price. So it can be like one of the optimal way. Similarly, if the need 2 is less than need 1, so in that case we will buy both item at need 2 quantity, and remaining item we will buy at cost 1 price, right? So our answer will be the minimum of all these three conditions, and at the end of the day we will return its normal price, total price. So that will be our answer. I hope you will be able to understand this question, and if at all you have any doubt or any clarification, please comment into the comment section and I will revert your doubts. So thank you guys, thank you very much. Have a nice day.